Welcome back, everybody. Another unboxing. Let's just get right into it. You already know what it is in the description. Which is obviously a frying pan. That's what we got to work with, everybody. A frying pan, as you can see. Be self-explanatory. 10-inch Skillet frying pan. Take a look. Look at that niceness. That laid out there. Oh yeah, take a look. We can cook some stuff now. Cook some stuff. Get this box out of the way. Take a look at that. Gotta put the handle on it. Gotta put the handle on it, don't we? Nice. Listen, well, that's really nice. Reminds me of actual wood. That might actually be wood. Not plastic or imitation. Okay, and this is how you do it there. Let me go ahead and move this up so you can see inside. It's supposed to be non-stick. It says non-stick right there. Non-stick cookware, cook like cast, die cast iron. Very nice. Very nice. Now to do this, I think you just go ahead pull that off. I'm going to push this inside. Obviously, we're going to have to turn this upside down. Maybe. What's happening? What's happening here? Maybe it has to stay. Okay, it has to stay that way. Wait, no, because then how are you going to get to the screwdriver put in there? Well, looks like we got an off alignment there. As you can see, it has to be done at an angle. So there's definitely an off alignment going on with this. So we will give this a go again. Looks like I got it. Looks like I got it. So I give an attitude adjustment, that's all. There we go. Nice. And as you can see, just like that. Very nice wood. Or is it so fake? Or is it so fake it's plastic? I think this is plastic though. If you can see in between there, and it feels like wood. It could be wood. It could be wood. It could be plastic though. And the bottom, it's got that emblem or something on there. But there you go, another unboxing, everybody. That's gonna be nice. It's a deep one. Hello. You can see me there in the reflection. Not too shabby. Is that wood? I'm just not sure that's actual wood. It just doesn't. It's hard to tell. It feels. If it was really crafted wood, right? They did a really good sanding that down, but I think it's plastic. I think it's plastic. I think it's artificial. As I feel around it and move my hands and sensitive touch and stuff, I think that's just plastic. Nice looking though. It looks real, but it's not. All right, everybody, another unboxing, unwrapping. And thank you so much. It's a 10. Well, you know what it is. I already put it in the description. So when I make these videos, I don't do this description so I can forget what the name of it is. It's precisely when I talk in the video. So I'm just kind of winging it. So what was it again? But thank you so much. Take care of yourselves, everybody. Moving on to the next video.